Welcome back to Tora Motors. Today, we're stepping into the showroom for a complete, in-depth breakdown of one of the most talked about vehicles BMW has ever built, the BMW XM, finished here in a striking glassy black high-gloss paint that turns heads from every single angle. Let's start with the exterior, because the XM doesn't try to blend in, it's designed to dominate a room. Up front, you'll find BMW's boldest interpretation yet of the vertical slat kidney grille, illuminated and flanked by split LED headlights that give this SUV an unmistakable road presence. Follow the character line back along that sculpted front fender, and notice how the glassy black paint behaves. It's not just glossy, it's almost liquid, absorbing the showroom lighting and throwing it back in sharp, clean reflections. The proportions here are unapologetically aggressive. A long hood, a coupe-like roofline, and flared rear haunches that hint at the performance hiding underneath. And at the back, full-width vertical taillights and an integrated rear diffuser complete a silhouette that's every bit as commanding from behind as it is head-on. This is, without question, one of the most distinctive shapes in BMW's current lineup. Now, let's talk about the lighting, because on the XM, it's every bit as much a design statement as the bodywork itself. Watch the split LED headlight signature ignite, sharp, clean, and instantaneous. And that illuminated grille surround you see glowing around the kidney design isn't just for show. It's one of the signature details that sets the XM apart from every other SUV in BMW's range. Around the back, the full-width taillight bar answers in kind, sweeping on edge to edge in a deep, saturated red glow. Whether you're watching this car arrive or watching it pull away, the lighting alone tells you exactly what it is before you even see the badge. Down at the wheels, you'll find large format gloss black multi-spoke alloys wrapped around Blue M branded brake calipers, a detail that speaks directly to this SUV's M performance pedigree, and a reminder that underneath that glassy black exterior sits genuine motorsport-derived engineering. Step inside, and the XM shifts into a completely different register. The cabin is wrapped in rich black leather with contrast stitching across the dashboard, seating, and door panels, finished with a level of precision you can feel the moment you sit down. Ahead of the driver sits an M Sport steering wheel, paired with BMW's curved digital display housing both the instrument cluster and the central infotainment screen. A system that's as intuitive to use as it is striking to look at. The crystalline gear selector and illuminated controls add a jewelry-like quality to the console that you simply don't find in most performance SUVs. Move to the rear, and the XM continues to impress. Genuine legroom, a dedicated rear console, and rear climate vents, proving this is a car designed for four people to enjoy equally, not just the driver. And above it all, a full panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural daylight, letting that black leather interior breathe with warmth rather than feeling closed in. Now, let's look at what's actually powering this SUV. Popping the hood reveals BMW's M hybrid powertrain, a twin turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor, working together to deliver serious performance while still offering genuine plug-in hybrid efficiency. Every surface under this hood carries the same M performance detailing you'll find throughout the rest of the car: carbon fiber bracing, precision engineering, and nothing left unfinished. But numbers on a spec sheet only tell part of the story. Out on the open road, the XM comes alive in a way that's honestly surprising for a vehicle this size. That hybrid V8 powertrain launches it forward with genuine urgency, and despite its imposing dimensions, it carries speed through corners with real composure. Whether it's tracking along a coastal highway, launching down a straightaway, or bursting through a tunnel with that unmistakable exhaust note trailing behind it, the XM proves that a high-performance M SUV doesn't have to compromise between comfort and genuine driving excitement. So, what does it take to bring a BMW XM home? Pricing on the XM typically starts in the range of $159,000 for the standard model, climbing well past $200,000 for the higher output XM label red variant, depending on specification and available packages. In euros, that translates to roughly €147,000 and up, though exact pricing will vary by market, trim, and current exchange rates, so we'd always recommend confirming exact figures directly with your local BMW dealership before making any purchase decision. What you're paying for, though, is clear the moment you walk around this car: a bold, uncompromising design, a genuinely luxurious cabin, and a hybrid performance powertrain that backs up every aggressive line on the outside. That's the BMW XM, bold, powerful, and unlike anything else on the road today. Thank you for joining us here at Tora Motors. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing, take it for a test drive, or discuss financing and current configurations, our team is ready to help. We'll see you in the next breakdown.